is News Center 7.
Ebola fears growing after we learned another healthcare worker who was diagnosed with Ebola made a recent trip to Cleveland.
Amber Vincent is one of two nurses who got the disease while caring for Thomas Eric Duncan. Duncan was from Liberia and died last week at a Dallas hospital. Vincent reportedly took a flight to Cleveland to visit family in the Akron area between October 8th and the 13th. Today, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention said the first nurse, Nina Pham's condition has improved.
We've learned Greene County public health officials are keeping regular contact with not only area hospitals, but college campuses throughout the county. News Center 7's Laren Livingston is live with why those universities are now on high alert. Laren?
Cheryl, in the past year, Cedarville University has sent close to 300 students on international mission trips, including to West Africa. Some of those trips, though, have now been banned until further notice.
Another 200 Cedarville students are planning to go abroad in the next 6 months. No one, though, will be traveling to Liberia, the Ivory Coast, or points in West Africa.
Every university that sends students overseas should always pay attention to the diseases and outbreaks in that nation.
Ginger Cameron is an assistant professor of pharmacy practice at Cedarville. She's now part of a team of health officials who will be monitoring students who return from trips abroad very closely for any signs of Ebola. We've learned the university reached out to Greene County public health officials several days ago to make sure its protocols are in line with CDC protocol. So far, no students are suspected of having the deadly virus.
We don't anticipate any, but in public health preparedness, we always prepare for worst-case scenarios.
Greene County epidemiologist Dr. Don Brannon says his office is working closely with medical directors at area institutions to make sure their Ebola response plans are up to date, including Central State, a historically black college where international travel to Africa is common.
We've had students from West Africa and from other places overseas come in and import diseases, so it's not unheard of.
But so far, Brennan says the general population has been kept safe from those illnesses, and so far, no cases of Ebola.
Wright State University is also keeping tabs on this situation, and Greene County health officials tell us the recommendations coming down from the CDC change almost daily, but isolate and decontaminate will be the MO for those campuses should the need arise, and hopefully that need will not arise. We're live in the News Center. Laren Livingston, News Center 7.